¿Qué tal amigos? Welcome to my channel or welcome back again. Saul here from Decoding the Market. I hope you are having a wonderful Sunday and enjoying your family and friends like always. I'm so excited to be here with all of you guys once again, sharing more technical analysis before the market open. Well, the market it's open already. Anyway, amigos, I invite you to stay till the end of the video. You will see some other video suggestions around this area you can watch related to this one, my most recent videos. And if you click on the white dot in the top right corner of your screen right up here, you will be directed to my channel where you can see a full list of my technical analysis videos. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button on your lower right corner, somewhere around here. Please subscribe to the channel. Please support the channel with your subscription. With that all being said, let's start our technical analysis. Tonight we are going to check the US dollar. Dollar already break two support levels, which is the support number 1 and support number 2, and is approaching to the support level number 3. Looks like it's going to happen unless there is some government news came out to make the dollar rebound to the uptrend, but seems like it's imminent that will touch support number 3 like we predict before. Looks like probably is gonna happen in this coming week, but we'll see if how the price moves. But it looks like the price it's going to touch support number 3. If you are following the channel, you will remember my comments about the possibility to get 15% drop in US dollar facing election days, and you must be familiar with this chart. If you are not, like I mentioned before in my previous analysis, let's see in the next days how US dollar performs, because depending what the dollar does will affect gold, silver, Bitcoin, and another cryptocurrencies, euro, British pound, and Australian dollar. I'm gonna refresh your mind for those who are following the channel, and for those are new in the channel, looking this video, this technical analysis for the first time. We mentioned before around these days, around the end of the September, that this trend green line, it was a very strong support along with this blue trend line. And we said that, like I said before, we have a strong support green line and blue trend line, and if dollar break above these two support levels, above 94%, 94 will be a good opportunity to go long and test resistance number 1. But this never happened. Like always, I always give you both sides of the coin to be aware what the price action can go. And this time, in this case, in my previous video, we said that if the price closed below 94 and test resistance, will be a good opportunity to go short. Price most likely will go down to hit the mid 93 support, which happens right here, right after our analysis, and it's exactly what the price did drop, test resistance, actually test this first trend line resistance, test the second one, the strong resistance, and then the price went down. If you notice, by last week, this is the way dollar react when Trump tweet that there is no stimulus support until after the elections, and he said that until he wins the elections, he's thinking that he will win the elections and will be in charge for another 4 years. But this is the way the market react in that particular day. And then after the reaction, dollar continue with a downtrend like I show you right here, and test and break support number 1, break support number 2, and now it's facing to touch support number 3, which probably will happen this coming week. Let's see how the market react if there is no government news that affect the price action from US dollar. Could go to this level. And also, like I said before, for those who are new, I'm gonna show you what we analyze in my prior technical analysis in dollar. And I told you guys that dollar was reacting, and actually is reacting exactly the same way like did before, years before. If you notice, we have many times that the dollar dropped in this particular time, which it was in 2006, dollar dropped 23.91%, and before to drop 23.91%, dollar gained 4.65%, and it's gonna be an average that dollar gain before make the final drop. And I'm gonna show you more about this. And this particular time happened the first time, and the second time it was in 2009, before to drop 17.24%. Dollar gained 4%, above 4%, 4.32%, before drop 17%. And the next time that happened, it was in October 2010. Looks like October 2010, and looks like right here June was before October, and right here was pretty much in the same period of time. Is what I'm noticing. But anyway, right here it was in October in 2010, dropped 18.20%, and before to drop 18.20%, gain 6.65% before drop 18%. And then the last time that happened the same thing. It was when was in January 2017, dropped 15.09%, but before drop 15%, dollar gained 4.76% before drop 15%. And now dollar, it's doing exact the same thing. If you notice, this is the time when the pandemic started, when COVID-19 started, and that's why I said before that we were expecting dollar drop 15%. but I'm gonna show you how we are exactly in the same period of time like before I show you. And right now dollar, let me move this right up here. The reason I said that it's gonna drop 15% is because when the pandemic started, this is exactly the same pattern that the price action is having so far. And the 15% could be in this price level, which is going to be in 1865 if the dollar drops. But like I said before, and I show you before to drop 15%, dollar gained around 4%, about a little bit above 4%. And now, since the dollar from this bottom, this price level, gain, actually I'm gonna show you how much the dollar gained from there, and actually it was 3.19%. And I was saying before that I didn't know exactly if the price, the dollar, will be very strong to gain the 4% that an average gain in each drop before drop 15%, and basically did not have enough strain, just gain so far just gained 3.26%. And now if you notice, the price is dropping, and maybe by the election days we'll be facing the possibility that dollar drop the 15%, since the price action is telling us that it's dropping to the downside. But let's come back again to this chart, amigos. If the price touch support number 3, I think it's gonna happen. I believe, I'm pretty sure that it is gonna happen. And right after, it's gonna test this support level, which is coming from right here. If you notice, right here, all the way from here, probably. But this is not a strong support. That's why I didn't label it like a 4, the support number 4. That's why I label this support number 4, because it's stronger, and because it's coming from it's very strong support, this. And let me hold on, let me show you, since I moved the chart. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, this is the level I was telling you about, that it's kind of strong level. This is the support number 4 that I was telling you about in the previous chart. But I'm gonna go back to the previous chart that I was explaining to you, which is right here. So we have this support number 4, and the next one is going to be right here in this support level that we can label like the 5th, and probably can touch 90, the price level of 91.76. That is the possibility, but we'll see how the market react during this coming week, and obviously before the elections, and obviously after the elections. We need to be aware that everything can happen, because we are in a very important moment for the United States, for the re-election. So here we are, guys. This is exactly what we are facing for the next days before the election. Just like a reminder, let's see in the next coming days how the dollar performs, because depending what the dollar does will affect gold, silver, Bitcoin, and some other cryptocurrency pairs like euro, British pound, and Australian dollar. Alright amigos, I just want to give you a quick update over here so that everyone have clarity to make the right move this coming week. Amigos, if you find this information useful and appreciate the time being here, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to support the channel. And also please post a comment if you would like to a specific technical analysis that you may be interested. All my prayers are with all of you guys. Stay safe, be good, and I see you in the next technical analysis. Good night.